The following is an emergency alert system broadcast. Instructions will follow. Do not go outside. Ensure all doors and windows are closed and locked. Close all blinds and curtains. Turn off all lights. Do not turn off your television. All residents whose properties backs onto or lies within the national park's limit should barricade themselves in the smallest room on their property, and if possible a room with no windows. Do not listen to them. They don't know you. They've copied the voice they use. It is not their own. They cannot move beyond the tree line. They want to draw you into the forest. They struggle to copy human faces. We don't know what they are. We don't know what happens to the people who follow them. All persons who have been spotted with one aren't seen again. Conventional weapons are ineffective. Do not attempt to engage. More instructions will follow.